So what I would like to do is talk a little bit about how I put this together, the theme of this, how it ties together, and then talk about a little bit about the construction, and then I'd like to show you just run the trains. All right, so I'm going to start the Steeler train just to show you the operation, and it's just going to go around in a circle and carry the passengers. And this is pretty much a standard HO layout. And the one thing, the difference between the HO and the O gauge is that, you know, the HO, they're pretty much slower. They're not quite as exciting, I don't think, to work on as the others. And generally speaking, they kind of just, you know, chug along. And I think they're mainly more for scenic and for show purposes. I like to operate the O gauge because they're much bigger and I think more exciting. Now the one thing about these trains and this train setup is that you have to drive this train. You cannot just set it down and let it do its thing, because you're going to have momentum coming down the hills. You've got areas of the track that you need to be careful of so it doesn't derail. And so I'm constantly driving this train because I know where the areas are. And so that's what a locomotive engineer does, is going to have to drive these trains around the different passes, the different curves. He's got to slow the trains down when he operates them. He's got to know his track. All right. As you can hear, the diesel is winding down.